Hi, I'm BJ with Wicked OSHA, and today we're going to learn about the Training tab. At the main page of the app, you're going to scroll down to the bottom and see Trainings. Click it. We break our trainings into the 4 required OSHA categories: Awareness, Toolbox Talk, Authorized, and Competent. We have 5 ways to utilize those trainings with the app. The first way, you can select from our training library and get what you need when you need it by dropping them into the app, like this. Click Filter Built In. You can see the categories on the right-hand side. You can click all of them or just a couple. Hit Save Display Settings. To assign the training, click which one you want to assign. Add new awareness training. Assign it to the employees you want. You can assign it to all of them or just a couple. Assign a date, a time, a reminder date, and on location, you can put remote so they can take the training on their own device. As you can see at the top, you have assigned the training. The second way is custom trainings. This allows you to utilize trainings you already have a financial investment in or simply like or works well for you. The third way is training on demand. Have you ever had one of those moments, holy cow, we need to get this under control? Reach out with your problem or concern and we can create that training for you. The fourth way is competent training. When you have a safety consultant or subject expert come in, they have the option to upload their training in the app. If not, they can reference it. Your employees can sign off and it will be saved and recorded in the app as well, like this. Under Competent, go to Add New. Has to be a custom topic. Name it. Under File Video Upload, you can upload a PDF, a Microsoft document, or a video file. Presentation link, it could be a YouTube link. And under Description, just describe it a little bit. Add training. Next, you're going to want your employees to sign it, so go to Add Signature. Select the employee. Have them sign it, and confirm it. Once all the employees have signed, click All Employees Have Signed. Add the trainer's name. Have him confirm it. Submit the signatures. And the training has been signed by the employee and the trainer. The fifth and final way is company-wide. Company-wide is if a manufacturer or agency comes in and does a training for the company as a whole and not for individual employees. They can sign off on it just like the competent training. Well, that's it for today's Wicked tutorial. Thank you.